Chapter 3, Eye Focus, Filmy Modes, Motor Response, Smart Trigger, and How to Invert. Our MOZA Air 2 is ready to film. Let's demonstrate how to set a start and end point on the eye focus. Press the menu button, tap down on the smart wheel to highlight Advanced. Click right to select, highlight Focus Set, and click right. Now adjust the lens position using the dial. To set point A, click right on the smart wheel to save the position. Use the dial to adjust the lens's position to set point B. Click right on the smart wheel to save that position. The eye focus can also be used to control lens zoom. The MOZA Air 2 has 11 different filming modes. Some of the highlights are Inception mode, Sport Gear mode, and FPV mode. Inception mode is an exceptional way to add a dramatic twist to camera movement. Double press the speed button to enter Inception mode. Then press the joystick to the right or the left to rotate the camera. Also, the smart wheel can be used to control auto rotation while in Inception mode. By rotating the smart wheel, you can change the rotation speed while in Inception mode. Pull the smart trigger twice to exit Inception mode. The smart trigger can perform a few different filming modes. When the smart trigger is pulled, it will hold the position of the gimbal. To resume gimbal movement, release the trigger. To select Sport Gear mode, press the FN button. Pan will display the letter Q to indicate Sport Gear mode. Now when holding the smart trigger, the gimbal's motors will dramatically increase response time. Sport Gear mode is essential when capturing a fast-moving subject. FPV mode. Triple pull the smart trigger to have the gimbal rotate 180 degrees to face the operator. FPV mode is great for video blogging or capturing a selfie video. Pull the smart trigger 2 times to return the gimbal to the starting position. Also, by rotating the smart wheel, you can adjust the motor's response. Let's demonstrate the 4 most common modes. The letter L means that axis is locked, and the letter F means that axis will follow. To access each mode, press the joystick in 1 time to switch yaw axis known as pan from follow to lock. Press the joystick in 2 times to switch roll from follow to lock. Pressing the joystick 3 times to switch pitch, also known as tilt, from follow to lock. First mode we'll test is lock mode. Tilt is locked, roll is locked, and pan is locked. Lock mode is when all 3 axes are locked. Use the joystick to reposition the gimbal. The second mode we'll be testing, pan follow mode. Tilt is locked, roll is locked, pan is follow. Pan follow mode is used for panning the camera. The third mode we'll test is pitch follow. Tilt is follow, roll is lock, pan is lock. Tilt follow mode is used to tilt the camera. Fourth mode we'll test is tilt pan follow mode. Tilt is follow, roll is locked, pan is follow. Tilt pan follow mode is a great choice when the camera needs to explore the scenery or track a difficult subject. The next 4 modes are for those filmmakers in search of some unique camera movement. Due to these filming modes being less conventional, we will move through them quickly. Roll follow mode. Tilt lock, roll follow, pan lock. Roll and pan follow mode. Tilt lock, roll follow, pan follow. Tilt, roll follow mode. Tilt follow, roll follow, pan lock. Tilt, roll, and pan follow mode. Tilt follow, roll follow, pan follow. With 11 different filming modes, the MOZA Air 2 offers untapped dynamic camera movement. Before we end this chapter, we'd like to touch upon the 3 different gimbal operating modes. We call this the vertical mode. Most users will typically hold the gimbal in this position for the majority of shots. Flashlight mode has the gimbal positioned like this. In this position, the gimbal can use Inception mode. Underslung mode is great for capturing a shot from low angles and especially useful at cancelling out the rise and fall of walking. Use the mini tripod as a handle extension to add extra height for a jib shot